Dark matter may be older than the Big Bang. Hello, my name is Hernan, and I'm going to be talking about how dark matter might have existed before the Big Bang. I chose this topic mainly because I always wondered what dark matter is exactly and where it comes from. To begin, what exactly is dark matter? Unfortunately, we aren't too sure. What we do know is that dark matter is some type of material that makes up about 80% of all mass in the universe, and it does not follow typical properties of other material in our universe, except for the forces of gravity. But how do we know it even exists? We know of its existence due to the gravitational forces that can be detected, even though there is nothing that we can directly see in said area. Dark matter does not emit, reflect, or absorb any electromagnetic radiation. In other words, it cannot emit, reflect, or absorb any kind of light or waves. Other terms scientists have used for dark matter is invisible matter. Think of a hypothetical normal cloud in the sky. If you shine a light at the cloud, the light becomes dispersed and reflects in all sorts of directions. Now let's say you have a cloud of dark matter. The light will shine directly through this cloud as if the cloud wasn't even there. Now, what is the Big Bang? As I'm sure we've all heard, the Big Bang was an intense, rapid expansion of energy that started from a small singularity of atoms that burst into what we call the universe, which occurred 13.7 billion years ago. The idea is that the Big Bang is what started the universe. But did it really? How could something just start from nothing? Absolute absence of anything. Is it possible that something had existed before the Big Bang occurred? Maybe. There are many ideas and theories suggesting that the Big Bang is a result of a universe that had reached the end of its life, or that we are living the same universe repeatedly, and that will continue to repeat itself until the end of time, whenever that is, or if it will ever. But one theory that stands out is the theory that dark matter existed before the Big Bang. Newly found evidence suggests that dark matter may very well have existed before the Big Bang, which would mean that the Big Bang was not the start of the universe. Dr. Tommy Tenkanen recently discovered a new connection of particle physics and astronomy. He explains that if dark matter consisted of these new particles, it would affect the way that galaxies are distributed in the sky and the way we observe them. Dark matter plays a huge role in the creation of our galaxies in the universe, and because of this, many scientists and theorists believe that dark matter comes from the remains of the Big Bang. He explains that if dark matter really did come from the remnants of the Big Bang, then it would already have been detected in many particle physics experiments performed. If dark matter cannot be detected from these tests, this must mean that dark matter is composed of materials that we have yet to understand, materials that we have no notion of what they really are made up of, that it came from a place from before the universe's conception, furthering proof that dark matter must have existed or come from somewhere before the Big Bang. In all reality, we know extraordinarily little about dark matter and what it was created from, or where it comes from. But we know it exists, and maybe in the near future, we'll be able to confirm exactly how it came to be. Now, some interesting questions for you to maybe think about. 1. When did the Big Bang occur? 2. How much dark matter makes up the universe? And 3. What do dark matter and normal matter have in common? Thanks for watching my presentation.